Hey there, I'm Jenny and this is Casey, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. This video is part of our Sips and Snack series where we're pairing tasty food with delicious drinks.
Yes, and today we're trying a wine from Parallel 44 with one of our favorite dessert recipes.
That's right, Casey. And we had the opportunity to go visit the Parallel 44 Winery and Tasting Room a few weeks ago, and it is absolutely beautiful out there, and it was really cool to see their operation.
Yes, it was very impressive how much of it is done by hand with bottling, and they produce over 140,000 bottles of wine a year with that operation. It's so incredible.
Yeah, and you can really see how passionate everyone there is about their craft.
Yes, the owners are right in there doing the bottling along with everyone else, so that was really cool to see.
Exactly.
Why can't we make good grape wines here in Wisconsin? And at that time, research was just starting on these grapes and the varietals that could grow here. And we just did a bunch of research and thought, we can do this. And for us, wine was really about representing we say the soul of the land from which the grapes come. That's what wine is supposed to be. And so we looked for a long time to find the right location, and ended up out here in Kewaunee because this is part of what's called the Niagara Escarpment, which is a natural land formation. The glacier kind of came through and dumped sand and soil and rock, and it really made it very well-drained soil and ideal for grapes. So in 2005, we planted our first grapes, and it just all kind of grew from there. We went on to make wine and really celebrate this region. About 90% of what we produce is Wisconsin grown, and we really focus on Wisconsin grown grape wines.
So today I mentioned the wine that we're going to be tasting from Parallel 44 is the white wine from the frozen Tundra line. It's kind of a semi-sweet white wine. It's got some like honey and kind of tropical fruit flavors, which is really great in a white wine.
Yes, and we are going to be pairing that with our carrot cake cupcakes. So this pairing is really fun because the wine pairs nicely with like the rich cream cheese frosting, and then also the tropical flavors in the cupcake because we do have pineapple in the cake.
So to get into tasting our wine then, Maria, one of the owners, was telling us about the 5 S's of wine tasting. So the first S is sight. So we take a look at the wine, look at the color, the clarity. This one looks very kind of crisp, which is similar to the flavor too.
And then the next S is to swirl. So swirling releases the aromas in the wine. That's really important because a good majority of what you taste is actually from smell.
Yes, which brings us then to our third S, which is sniff. So we take a little sniff of the wine to really get those nice aromas. Again, it's very crisp, very kind of tropical fruity.
And then the next S is to sip. Let's give it a try. Ooh, really refreshing.
Yes. And then the last S is to savor. So kind of let that wine sit in your mouth and really get all of those great flavors.
Yeah, and that kind of ties into something else that Maria told us, which is you should really just enjoy the wine and enjoy it with whatever you like. So today we are pairing it with carrot cake cupcakes, but do whatever dessert or food that you enjoy.
Yeah, if you really like a heavy dessert with a white wine, go for it. At the end of the day, it's all about what you enjoy.
Yeah. So, should we give it a try with this cupcake?
For sure. These cute little mini ones.
I love the pineapple in there.
And the cream cheese frosting.
And again, that like crispness and kind of acidic finish to the wine cuts through the richness of the frosting.
Yes, but you can still kind of tell like that pineapple that's in the cupcakes really goes well with the flavors in the wine.
Exactly. So we hope you give this pairing a try at home. You can grab a bottle of this wine at our stores and find the recipe for the cupcakes at festfoods.com/meals.